So let's take time for meditation and reflection. Just allow your body to settle comfortably into your chair. Let your hands rest easily. If it feels comfortable, gently close your eyes or look down at your upturned palms in your lap. And take a slow breath and release it. Do that again. Let's move from head to heart. Allow my words to help take you there. As you breathe out, recognize there is nowhere else you need to be. Nothing you need to accomplish, nothing to prove. There's just this moment, just this breath. And as your breathing becomes gentle and relaxed, allow words from Myrtle to become your prayer. Be still. Be still. Be still. And breathe. We turn to the stillness to remember the divine has never left. We are aware of the breath moving in and out. We're aware of the static behind every thought. And we're also aware of that gentle presence that is always right there with us. Myrtle reminds us, God in the midst of you is substance. God in the midst of you is substance. So allow yourself to receive these words. God in the midst of me is substance. There is enough. Enough health, enough life, enough strength, enough grace, enough for this moment. God in the midst of you is love. Not love you must earn, not love you must become worthy of, but simply love. Steady, faithful, unchanging. God in the midst of me is wisdom. So if there's a question you've been carrying, a decision, a concern, you don't have to solve it right now. Just simply let it rest in that divine wisdom that's already present. And trust that the next step will become clear. So let us rest in this place of divine presence, of divine life and divine wisdom, divine love. Just rest in this place for a few breaths. And now we silently affirm, God is here, so am I, and that's enough. God is here, so am I, And that's enough. Like Mary sitting quietly at the feet of Jesus, in this moment we choose awareness over distraction. We choose presence over static. We choose patience over hurry. The presence of God is always with me, walks beside me, lives with me. I don't have to create it. I simply have to remember it. Hear once more Myrtle's invitation. Listen to the stillness within your own soul. Myrtle said, listen to the stillness within your own soul. And now with gratitude, begin to come back to this time and space. Coming back, feeling full of the presence of God within you. And gently wiggle your fingers and your toes. And when you're ready, open your eyes. This presence of God goes with you into all parts of your day, all parts of your life. And so today we remember these three simple truths. God is already here. Stillness helps us to become aware of the presence. And every day gives us another opportunity to practice living from that presence. Every day, we get to be that radiant beacon when we live from the presence. Jesus lived that way and taught it. Myrtle discovered it. And now it's your turn. It's our turn together